Hey Amazon sellers, get the latest on what's happening on Amazon here every single Friday. I'm Jenna Lieber with Turnkey Product Management, the Amazon experts. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Hey guys, it's Jenna. I'm here to talk to you guys about an update that we will be seeing soon for sponsored brand ads. So for those of you that don't know what sponsored brands ads are, those are ads that are built for users that are brand registered through Seller Central. So SBAs were formerly known as headline search ads, and SBAs are essentially those ads that you'll see at the top of the search, where you'll see multiple products featured. You'll see that they have a tagline, everything like that. Now, what's really great about sponsored brand ads is they give you different metrics that will not be available for ads that are not sponsored brand. So the strong metric that I'm referring to there is the new to brand metric. It's called NTB within Seller Central's PPC platform. So the NTB metric essentially tells you if a customer is purchasing from you for the first time in the last 12 months. So it essentially gives you a solid look as to what your ads are pushing. Are they pushing new customers your way? Is it repeat customers? What are you looking at from that side of it? Now, want to talk about the new edition that Amazon is talking about. So this is a beta program. So some of you guys might already be seeing it in your PPC platform. Others, you might have to wait a little bit longer. It just depends on how quickly Amazon rolls it out. So it's called Store Spotlight, and it's going to be added to the sponsored brand arsenal, which is really exciting because honestly, sponsored brand ads convert so well. And that's because they're more realistic. They give a better look into the brand, which is why it's available to brand registered sellers, right? So Store Spotlight is going to be a mobile only ad. So this is not going to show up on desktop for Amazon. And it's going to be set up the same way as product collection, right? But the difference is instead of picking which products to show in the actual ad that's going to be showing up, you're going to pick pages from your Amazon store to highlight. So it's going to give kind of a website type feel where it's going to kind of show you as a brand more so than just your products, right? So it's a really exciting way to really connect with your customers, have them look at all your products, not just the select few you put in the ad. Really just helps you expand from there. So the way it's gonna work is you can write up a 50-character headline, which is exciting. So you're still gonna be able to have those taglines, those ad copies, everything like that. And then you'll also have a 40-character display name for each page. So you'll be able to name those pages. So, one really great example is if you are a coffee company and you have multiple products, maybe you have teas, maybe you have decaf, and then you have regular coffee, maybe that's how you section yours off. But you're essentially going to be able to name those different pages so that it is super streamlined. People are able to see what they are looking at. You will also be able to pick out one product image per page that will show above the display name. So it's really just a new opportunity. And if you are a part of the beta program, which is very exciting, if you're a part of that program, take advantage of it now because it's not something that everyone has access to. Our team is currently testing it. We're really excited about the opportunity. It is a mobile ad, just mobile only, which is different. But what's really cool about that is majority of purchases are happening on mobile anyway for Amazon. So, you're really gonna be able to just see how the difference there. You're gonna be able to look at the NTB metrics, which is really exciting because it's a sponsored brand ad. So that's really great. Now, obviously, there's tons of benefits to this addition to sponsored brand ads. Obviously, it's the possibility of just driving traffic to your Amazon store. Amazon storefronts really is something that a lot of people don't talk about a ton, but quite honestly, we love them because they're so good looking, right? You go on an Amazon store and you actually truly believe you're on a website, but you're actually on Amazon. Obviously, an Amazon listing, you can definitely make it beautiful, but There's the lack of creativity there. You can't always do what you want to do with an Amazon listing, but it's not the case with Amazon storefront. There's just so many opportunities on there with video. You can have GIFs in there. You can have them zoom into certain things. There's just so many opportunities with Amazon storefront. You also have storefront insights, which you'll be able to look at, where you'll be able to tell just where the traffic's going, everything like that, external, internal. So Amazon storefronts really are a really exciting opportunity. So this ad gives you an opportunity to send traffic that way, similar to how sponsored brand ads already do act, right? And what's really great about driving people to your storefront, obviously, is just you increase that brand awareness. For those of you that have a large catalog, for those of you that aren't just one product, things like that, this gives people an opportunity to see all of your products and not just focus in on one individual product. Obviously this also just allows you to customize the ad a little bit more, which is exciting. Obviously it's becoming a little bit more clear that Amazon's running ads to customers. I think customers are more aware of it now more than ever. So now's the time to get creative, to bring your personality into it, to really try to make yourself stand out when it comes to the ad. Now, other than that, that's all we have for this new addition to sponsored brand ads. If you have any questions, obviously feel free to reach out to our team. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here at Turnkey, we are committed to bringing you the ultimate best. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe by hitting the bell here. See you in the next video.